Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem when the Epic Game Launcher won't install on your PC. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is weak, try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection. A bad connection can stop the installer from downloading files. Next, check your disk space. The launcher itself doesn't take much, but you need at least a few gigabytes free. Open File Explorer. After that, click on this PC and check your C drive to make sure you have enough space. Now, next step is to look at permission. Right click on the Epic Game Launcher icon and choose Run as administrator. This gives the installer permission to add the program to your PC. If the installation still fails, temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security update blocks new programs from installing. Don't forget to turn it back on once the launcher is installed. Also, make sure your Windows is updated. Go to Settings. On the left hand side, click on Windows Update and install any pending updates. Outdated system files can sometimes cause installation errors. And finally, if you have tried everything and it still won't install, head over to Epic Games Launcher Player Support. They can guide you with advanced fixes that match your PC setup. And that's it. By checking your internet, disk space, running as admin, or updating Windows, should able to fix Epic Game Launcher not installing on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.